Have you ever just sat back and imagined a reality where money just keeps flowing into your account while you're fast asleep? I mean, picture this, right? Your phone is on silent, you're completely off the grid, maybe you're traveling or just relaxing, and yet your income literally hasn't stopped. It sounds like magic, doesn't it? But actually, this is exactly what the wealthy do every single day. While most ordinary folks work their whole lives without building real assets, the rich are continuously creating these systems that earn for them 24/7. So welcome to this explainer on building modern automated assets. Today, we are breaking down exactly how you can stop trading your precious time for money and instead start building digital engines that work tirelessly on your behalf. Okay, let's dive into this massive paradigm shift. When most of us hear the word asset, we instantly picture physical property, right? We think of land, houses, or, maybe hoarding gold bars. And sure, that was the dominant wealth-building mindset back in the 1990s. But fast forward to today, and modern assets look completely different. We're talking about digital, highly scalable, and automated assets that can generate high returns around the clock. The best part? You no longer need a massive inheritance or a huge pile of capital to get started. You honestly just need the right strategy to build these digital systems right from your own home. So here's our roadmap for today. We're going to explore 5 pillars of modern wealth. Number 1, content assets. 2, affiliate assets. 3, automated investments. 4, digital products. And 5, skills as an asset. All right, let's get into it. Pillar number 1, content assets. Capturing the world's attention. Listen, attention is arguably the absolute most valuable modern currency out there right now, and it offers incredible leverage. Think about it. Making one single YouTube video might take you, say, 3 to 12 hours of focused work. But once you hit publish, that video acts like a giant magnet. It can generate views and actual income for 5 years or more. Every single upload becomes this tiny digital engine paying you based on views over time, not the actual hours you put in to make it. It's literally monetizable 24/7. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that this single data point completely destroys the biggest excuse people have. I hear it all the time. But I can't show my face on camera? Well, guess what? The numbers reveal that roughly 60% of viral content is completely faceless. You absolutely 100% do not need to step in front of a lens to build a massive audience today. The barrier to entry has honestly never been lower. You can totally leverage AI voiceovers, text-to-speech tools, incredibly compelling stock footage, or even whiteboard animations. This applies across all major platforms, whether you're making educational content, motivational clips, or business tips, all completely faceless. And even if a platform like TikTok doesn't have its built-in monetization system everywhere just yet, simply building an audience there opens the door to incredibly lucrative brand sponsorships. Moving right along to pillar number 2, affiliate assets, earning via recommendation. The framework here is just beautifully simple. And the best part? Absolutely zero inventory required. First, you just join a program like Amazon Associates. Second, you get your own unique affiliate link. Third, you share that link online. And fourth, when someone actually buys through your link, you earn a commission, which is often around 10 to 15%. So the crucial takeaway here is that once these links are live, they basically stay live forever. People can literally click and buy while you are sleeping, and you earn. You don't have to deal with customer service, you definitely don't hold inventory, you just act as the digital bridge. And guys, there is just an incredible variety of opportunities here. Whether it's retail products through Amazon, digital software like Canva, or educational services on Udemy, seriously, there is an affiliate program for absolutely everything. Plus, your promotion methods are endless. You can use YouTube descriptions, TikTok shorts, blog posts, or even just a simple link in your Instagram bio. Just imagine this for a second. If you make 100 videos and each one contains an affiliate link, you haven't just made a bunch of videos. You have literally created 100 permanent assets working for you all at the exact same time. All right, on to pillar number 3, automated investment assets, the silent worker. Let's pivot slightly from digital creation to the traditional, incredibly powerful concept of money just making money on its own. Our schools rarely teach this stuff, but these are the exact compounding tools the wealthy use to secure their financial independence. We're talking about things like index funds, mutual funds, ETFs, bonds, and various bank deposits. Once you set this all up, these assets just work quietly in the background daily to grow your money over the years without any active effort from you whatsoever. If you only depend on a day job, you might face a serious lack of savings when your career eventually ends. But these investments, saved and compounding over decades, they become an absolute unstoppable fail-safe for your retirement. I absolutely love this quote. Investing equals risk only if you invest without knowledge. A lot of people are just terrified of the stock market or investing because they think it's essentially just gambling. But that's a total misconception. If you choose safe, well-researched investments, your money just grows steadily while you sleep. Knowledge is exactly what transforms a so-called risk into a calculated wealth-building strategy. Pillar number 4, digital products. Infinite scale. Digital products are, frankly, the holy grail of the modern asset economy. Just look at these unit economics, and this brilliantly illustrates the point. We are talking about staggering 90% profit margins because there is absolutely zero physical inventory and the delivery is totally automated. Almost every single dollar goes straight to your bottom line. Customers from the US, Europe, Australia, literally anyone, anywhere can buy your product instantly at any time of the day or night. So what exactly can you sell? Well, the demand is just huge for things like ebooks, Notion templates, AI prompt packs, and graphic bundles. And hey, if you're sitting there thinking, but I'm not an expert, remember, AI changes everything. You really just need to identify a real human a problem, and AI can actually help you outline and generate the solution to build these very products. Finally, pillar number 5, skills as an asset. The ultimate engine. Truthfully, none of the previous 4 assets we just talked about will work without the human engine driving them. So I really want you to internalize this statement. Your skills are your greatest asset. People always seem to think assets have to be physical property or huge piles of cash, but your skills, they can earn you revenue for your entire life. Unlike a brand new car that depreciates the second you drive it off the lot, your skills literally never depreciate. They compound. If you lose a job or say you face massive AI disruption in your industry, your skills are the absolute ultimate safety net that will save you. Let's take a quick look at the specific high-value skills that are truly driving the modern economy right now. We're looking at digital marketing, sales, video editing, content creation, copywriting, AI operation, coding, and personal branding. These are the modern tools of the trade. Look, if a business you start ever fails, simply possessing these specific skills allows you to pivot and completely rebuild your income from scratch. They keep you relevant, totally adaptable, and highly valuable in literally any market condition. And hey, you don't even need to quit your day job to do this. Just try following this super simple daily formula. Step 1, learn for 1 hour. Step 2, practice for 1 hour. Step 3, share your progress online. And step 4, offer small freelance gigs to start building a client base. If you genuinely stick to this routine, you can easily double or even triple your income within a single year. It really is just a matter of consistent, focused effort. So, we've covered a massive shift today. Everything from content and affiliate links to compounding investments, digital products, and high-value skills. The tools to detach your time from your income are literally sitting right at your fingertips. So, the only question left to ask is this: which asset will you start building tonight so you can earn tomorrow while you sleep? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.